Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is 9 video of learning English through online, and today I was talking about some other topics that I watch a movie in yesterday, and today I was talking about this movie. This movie name was Dhurandhar, and the movie was based on Indian spy, mostly based on Indian spy and Indian agency role that was a mission in Pakistan. A spy go in Pakistan and crack down terrorist in through funding Pakistan in India, and the movie was very fantastic. Yesterday I watched in my mobile. So first I was talking about the movie starting. The movie starting was very fantastic, very dangerous, and some bomb blast here and there, and the actor Ranveer Singh was very good work, and the movie villain Rajesh Khanna was very good acting in this movie. The Rajesh Khanna was role a Pakistan-based terrorist organization. In this movie, the Rajesh Khanna name was name is a Bluchi army gangster, especially I forgot their name in this movie, so I called Bluchi army officer of Rajesh Khanna, and other gangster groups in this area. The area name was a Lahari, based on Pakistan, Karachi, and there was a 3 to 4 gangs mostly active in terrorist and dangerous organization there, and they was attack on India Mumbai's Taj Mahal. They funding. There was a funding through two businessmen that call Khandanis. The Khandanis fund terrorists to buy some weapons, grenades, and other item to destroy India's peace. So they the first ending, Ranveer Kapoor was go to fake passport through Pakistan, and then they work the local Lahari shop. This shop was a juice and milkshake shop, and then the juice and milkshake shop owner was secretly a agent of India, and they was spy on Pakistan on terrorist organization, and Ranveer Kapoor also joined the shop and work with her 1 year and 1.5 years. They work with her, Ranveer Kapoor, and suddenly one day the Bluchi army officer's son go to a marriage, and the shop owner, the juice shop owner, and Ranveer Kapoor also a work in this marriage. They work catering of juice and milkshake, and suddenly the other gangster group, 3 men with AK-47 rifle and UG guns, they kill the Bluchi army officer son in the main marriage function, their camp, their tent, and they suddenly fire on the Bluchi army officer's son, and Ranveer Kapoor and his shop owner, Jew shop owner, was saved the son. For reason, the Ranveer Kapoor was joined Baluchi army officers group, so they was collect more information through terrorist to join the Baluchi army officer. So the Ranveer Kapoor and the Jew shop owner make a plan. They make a plan to save the child, and the gratification, the Baluchi army officers was giving him some money and offer to join our group. So the Ranveer Kapoor joined the group. So Ranveer Kapoor and the army and the shop owner, that was secretly spy on the Pakistan. They was save the child of the Baluchi army officer, but they can't save the child. Some mistakes, the other gangster group was fire on the Baluchi army officer's child, and they was kill the child on the spot. So Ranveer Kapoor quickly shouted and call her, please call the ambulance, please call the ambulance, the child was die here, please call the ambulance. And suddenly they take off the child, and in the taxi they were go to admit this child to hospital. The Ranveer Kapoor reached the hospital and checked the child through doctor, but doctor say this child was no more, this child was dead. So Ranveer Kapoor was shocked, and first time the Baluchi army officers and Ranveer Kapoor face to face. The Baluchi army officer come to see his child in hospital, and the Ranveer Kapoor stand on support of pillar, and the Baluchi army officers first show his child, and he was very emotional and crying, and they say, Ranveer Kapoor, how was that? The Ranveer Kapoor say, I give my 100%, but I can't save your child. And some other man and one of this shop owner also say, Baluchi army officers, this child called Ranveer Kapoor, this child was give his 100%, but he can't save his child. So Baluchi army officers was calm, and they are called his bodyguard and his some man to give him 1 lakh Pakistani rupees. So the Baluchi army officers man give Ranveer Kapoor 1 lakh rupees, but Ranveer Kapoor denied to accept these money. They called the Ranveer Kapoor said, I am your big fan because you are the king of our Baluchi freedom fighter. So I don't take the money because I respect your honors. Please don't give me money. So the Baluchi army officer surprised, and they stop his man, and second they asked Ranveer Kapoor, what would you want? Ranveer Kapoor said, nothing. I want nothing. I want just freedom. our groups, our Bluchi army, our Bluch publics. So the Bluchi army officer was surprised, and then the next day funeral in the Bluchi army officer's house of his son's funeral, and Ranveer Kapoor and his Jewish shop owner also come with her, and then the Bluchi army officers and some others men are join the Ranveer Kapoor in our group. So the next part, Ranveer Kapoor was officially joined the group, and they was collecting terrorist information and pass away through secretly in India Raw Agency and Indian intelligence. The first they was taking some attack planning in Gujarat, Rajasthan and Delhi, and they collect Ranveer Kapoor, and firstly secretly they send Indian intelligence officers. The intelligent officers collect all information and action in the information. So the first attack Ranveer Kapoor was successfully cancelled terrorist organization. So guys, today's explanation was end here, and I was very happy to explain this movie to you, and my English was improving very fastly because of I am recording myself in the camera and post on YouTube, and my spoken and thinking of English was improving fastly. So guys, today's video and here, and today's was 9 video, and some mistakes I already know I doing in this video, but you please give him some free and I am improving my English. So guys, that's video and here. Thank you, goodbye.